King Kegs are the world's first Australian-made PET plastic kegs. Available in 20-liter and new 10-liter sizes. We build in safety, quality, and performance with every keg. Individually pressure tested, each King Keg has light and oxygen barriers to ensure that your beverages reach consumers safely, exactly as you intended them. 100% recyclable, available with commercial variety A or D type spears or ball lock variety cap. Empty King Kegs arrive at your facility palletized, sanitized, completely purged and pressurized with nitrogen. Connect your brewery's kegging lines to Australian-made King Kegs to tap into the 4R packaging solution that's rapid, reliable, ready to fill, and recyclable. Save time, water, logistics costs, and packaging costs. King Keg, made in Australia, connecting your beverages to the world.